Tinkermaster here. We're taking a look today at the new Masterbuilt pellet cooker, vertical cooker. This is the 4-rack, the smaller of the two that they have available. The bigger one is the Adventure Series. This is the Model 130, I believe. I purchased this through Walmart, and they had a sale for $257. I did site to store delivered, and the manufacturer didn't give a lot of information on their website. I couldn't get accurate dimensions on stuff, so I figured I would do this video and share with anybody else who might be interested in this model. And I'm going to do an unboxing of it, and we'll do the unboxing and we'll measure some things so that you have an accurate description of what you're actually looking at buying. And then once we have that, I'll fire it up and run through the burn-off procedure, and we'll look and see how this thing works. Well, and there we are, folks. Just another reason why sometimes things look okay from the outside, but when you get in there, somebody had a little snafu on this thing, and I don't know what we're gonna do on this now. I don't know if I just load it back up and take it back to Walmart, but the bottom door is dented up pretty good there, and I'm not sure that it'll even open. So I'll try and finish the review, and we'll take a look at the rest of it, and probably going to end up contacting Walmart. It's disappointing. Well, here we have it out of the box. The bottom door and the top door looks like it got creased. Something kicked the side, or something hit the side, which, I mean, it had to have hit pretty darn hard, because you've got a good inch of foam here before you even get to, plus another ½ an inch of air gap before you even get to where this door cover was. So the doors both open, and it's doubtful that the seal's probably very good. And you know, I was really hoping to get to try this out and have a fruitful display of what this thing can do for you, but here's where we are. Thanks.